record of the Congress party from last more than 75 years, especially in independent India. They are always biased against the Hindu society and Hindu Dharma. So many things they have done. Even when terrorist attack was taken place during their time also, instead of accusing the Pakistan where there was enough proofs and witnesses, they tried to blame it on the Hindu organizations. By that they wanted to safeguard the interest of the Pakistan. And in recent days also, may it be Waqf or withdrawal of the cases against the PFI and SDPI, when we are fighting against the terrorism, the people who are linked with the PFI, Student Islamic Union, all those cases, withdrawing of these cases, that is nothing but appeasement politics. So this is also in Dharmasthala also. The motto was to reduce the Shraddha of the public at large and make a division in the Hindu society and politically make use of it.
Sir, CM Siddaramaiah said that it's a politicizing BJP.
What is who has politicized? Without understanding the background, without a basic inquiry about that person who brought this skull, how can you, without inquiring him, can you bring any dead body which is already buried, bring it out? Or some part of it, can you bring it out? Magistrate permission needs to be taken. Without that they have done. Iska arth ye hai ki they wanted to defame Dharmasthala. Initially they tried to defame Shabarimala, Ayodhya, then Shani Singanapur, many such worship places of worship. They tried to defame, and now they have targeted Dharmasthala.
Sir, if the central government reduce the GST, sir, Karnataka will ask the 15,000 for CM.
I don't want to react at this moment, but I can only say, first of all, priority for the government is the public at large. Whatever the media reports are appearing, majority of the prices which are going to be reduced, it will be of the poor people who are using it, like food items, milk items, like that. It is being reduced. This is what I don't know because it is a confidential, but it has appeared in the media. If their media report has to be believed, then it is for the poor. Let Congress wait. What is going to come, then they should talk. Means Congress party here, daily they are increasing the either tax in petrol, diesel, or the charges of the birth and death certificate, registration certificate, stamp duty, electricity tariff, bus tariff, everything they are increasing. If Modi government brings it down, they are feeling the pain of it.